There are a couple of attributes that we can use in the video element. I have used some in the past lessons, and I have introduced some new ones in this lesson. So we have controls, which shows the controls, width and height, loop, which means that the video will keep on looping after the end, muted, meaning that the video starts muted, preload, this is used for large files, and auto means the media file is buffered. Poster is the URL image that will be displayed when the video is played. So just like a thumbnail in YouTube, in this case, I used the DR image as the poster image. Sometimes you may want a poster image to be displayed when the video is not played, just before it is played, just like a YouTube thumbnail. Then of course, when it's played, it shows the video. We have the autoplay, of course, which causes the video to be played automatically. So it wouldn't wait for me to press the play button. That is why we have autoplay. Now this video does not have any audio, so we wouldn't hear any sound. But the muted attribute means that the video is muted. So these are a couple of attributes you could play around with. Go try them out.